I should not be nervous. This is freaking king. Okay, I don't want to shoot my arrows. Yes, yeah. Let me go kill you though. Should be one shot, right? Yeah. Done. Let's do this. 2,800 health. Oh, jeez. Where are you? Get over here. Oh, you're right there. Oh no. Oh gosh. Hold on. Let me get in here. I'm gonna get into my own. I forgot. Oh no! 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 You are more powerful than I remember. You are more powerful than I remember. Shit. Oh my god. Okay, let me get out of my own arena, my own house. He teleports. That's all I need to do. I just need to evade his teleports. Crap. I can't even use my own arena. Oh no! 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 I do not want to die as a king slime. Hold on. Okay. I am a lot worse at this game than I. Shit. That's not what I meant to do. I actually used my spelunking potion. How about you? Don't think. Oh my gosh. Where did I get it? Where did I get it from? I don't even think my arena's that useful, honestly. My buffs are about to come back. I can't go into the Crimson. That's not gonna happen. Nope. Expert mode? King Slime? Shit! Damn, that was a lot more difficult than I expected it to be. It's King Slime, it's not supposed to be hard, is what I said. Okay, I'm gonna go get my money back. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, where is he? Oh, shit. This is hard. So what you just jump over me? Oh no, jump over, jump! Damn! I might not be, I don't think I have a bit of gear, mainly in the armor department. Okay, this is third time, maybe, probably not. See if I can kill this thing. That's much harder than I remember it being. Well, that's because it's an expert mode. Ooh. Okay. I don't have any iron skin potions or whatever, so I'm just gonna have to. Where are you? Get over here. Oh, there you are. No, I can't move. Go to my house. Oh, there. Okay. Well. he can go down there. Oh, lag. Okay. Okay. Come over here. Come over here. King Slime! Ugh. I still can't heal. Okay. I said I wasn't gonna do it. This is harder than I expected. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I can't move. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. I'm just gonna go for it again. I need to jump over. Okay. I can't. You don't like it. Oh no. I'm like indecisive as to whether to let myself deal with the or not. But that's an army of slimes. Oh my gosh. No. Okay. We're healing. Don't despawn. I hope you don't despawn. That'll be a funny way to lose this. No. I couldn't freaking press the... Okay. I think I could beat that if I just maneuver myself more, but I'm just gonna get... I ran out of rubies. Damn. I have 100 Jester arrows. I don't know if that's enough. Probably isn't, but I have some more of those after flaming arrows. So, well, maybe my NPCs could help me, I don't know. Kind of nervous again, not gonna lie, even though I feel like a strat that might work pretty dang well. Just because last time it was a lot harder than I thought. But I mean, whoops. Here goes nothing. Okay, where are you? Am I cheesing this? Oh my gosh. So, like, I don't think he can jump up here. Oh! Damn. He just teleports to where I am. Never mind. That was the shortest attack. This is my last attempt for this video of King Slime. Because clearly I'm kind of bad at it. Let me craft the last. Oh, that's okay. I was about to craft Jester arrows, but it's fine. Where are you? Okay, here we go. Where'd you go? Oh, he's on the ground. Bruh. Oh my gosh. No. Oh, freaking crap. He teleports on you. That's like the only actually part of the movie has. Okay. Now you're on the ground. So you teleport back. Okay. I don't know if him teleporting on the ground's a good thing or a bad thing, like, honestly. Okay. I mean, it could be a good thing. If I was close enough to see him, it would be a good thing, but I'm not, so it's not a good thing. Okay. Oh god. Bad idea. That's the expert slimes. Yeah. Not far enough to like despawn down, right? But... oh, now you're down. Now I have to go back, which is a problem because there is a big slime here. Okay, I think I doubled up. I think I should be good. Okay, now he's down here for something. Oh, spiked slime. Still like 1,000 HP left. Starting to memorize his like teleportation code. Oh no! Wait, come on. There we go, yes. Oh, now I have like fire arrows. Oh, come on, you're close. Okay, now it's time to go back. Oh! Okay, any more slimes left? I hope not. Yeah, I should get it. I think I got it. I got it. I have to get it. Okay, bump, jump, jump, jump. And you're coming. Huzzah. Yes. Come on, you're down. You're down. You gotta be down. Okay, jump, 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 jump. And you're coming. Huzzah. Yes! I did it, finally. Okay, now I have all these frickers to deal with. Okay, get out of here. Oh my gosh, you guys are a tough puzzle to deal with. I just want to get my damn loot. Get out of here. Alright, let's see what we got. What the? Oh, I just ran out of all my flaming arrows. Okay. Let's see. I got a zombie banner.